Көктем келді, жер жаңарып, тіршілік қайта оянды. Күн мен түн теңелген сәт, жаңа үміт, жаңа өмір басталады.
Тамаша.
Иә, рахмет. Береке мен молшылықтың мерекесі, қош келдің, әз Наурыз.
Hello everyone. Nauruz is a very special holiday for Kazakh people. On this day, people wear national clothes and celebrate together. Families cook a traditional dish called Nauruz Kojem. It has 7 ingredients and symbolizes wealth and prosperity. People sing songs, dance, and play national games. Nauruz brings joy and happiness.
Bayanның көзіндейсің, жібектің өзіндейсің, ақ жаулық аналарды.
Nauruz is a national holiday in Kazakhstan. We celebrate it on 22nd March. On this day, people clean their house and wear beautiful national clothes. The main traditional dish is Nauruz Koje. It has 7 ingredients. For example, people play kokbar and asgatu. It is a symbol of happy, friendship, and happiness. Happy Nauruz!
Hello everyone. Today I want to tell about Nauruz. Nauruz is a national holiday in Kazakhstan. We celebrate it on the 22nd of March. The word Nauruz means new day. It is holiday of spring and the new beginnings. On this day, nature wakes on and the water becomes warm. People clean their homes and visit relatives and friends, which as happens health and good luck.